happy 98th birthday. I would like to thank everyone na mag-spend sa inyong time. Ginggin nyo ginang time nyo to come sa kay nanay, to show the love and of course, respect kay nanay.
That's why the girls are. I took a ride on a shooty shoe. That girl I sat beside was awful cute. And when we stopped, she was holding hands with me. My heart was flying up, like a rocket ship, down, like a roller coaster.
Years of blessed existence, which testifies the goodness of our Lord to Nanay Nina, but not only to Nanay Nina, but also to the family Labandino.
I gave that girl a hug. In the tunnel of love, you never know how great this can
Happy
be.
98th birthday!
And a hot dog stand. We danced around to a rockin' band. And when I could, I gave that girl a hug. In the tunnel of love, you never know.
Always pray and ask for God's guidance and blessings give. Happy birthday, Liwat, and God bless.
Our highlight, or the lady of the day. May I request everyone to please all stand as we give a massive applause to our birthday girl. Please welcome Mrs. Filomena Castro Lavandino at 19.
Can't you see I love you? Please don't break my heart in two.
Hi Lola, happy birthday. To be honest, I'm so grateful kasi even though malayo ako kay Lola, kilala niya pa rin ako. He always calls me, so I'm very grateful for you. So Lola, my wish lang for you is I hope you will be forever happy and enjoy your life. I hope you reach 100 years old and we promise kami na nila Juliana mag-provide ng another tipo mo. I love you lang.
Have a wooden heart. There's no strings upon this love of mine. It was always you from the start. Treat me nice, treat me good, treat me like you
Kasi maraming taon ang kanyang karawan, sobra pa sa 100 years, upang kami po ay muli makapunta dito. At pare-pareho po tayong magkita-kita muli. Maraming salamat. Salamat sa Diyos.
Sugar pie, honey buns. You know that I love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. In and out my life. Come and you go. Leaving just your picture behind. And I kissed it 1,000 times. When you snap your finger or wink your eye, I come running to you. I'm tied to your apron string, and there's nothing that I can do.
Madamo na salamat sa tanan na akong imbitaw na nagkatso sa akon na salamat.